In this video, I will teach you how to add shipping charges in WooCommerce so that your online store can calculate delivery cost automatically for your customers. So the very first thing you need to do is to either go to your own WordPress website where WooCommerce is installed, or you can also go to woocommerce.com right here. This is a sample of your own website that you have created using WordPress.com. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply sign up and create one. But if you already have an account, you can just pretty much log in. And once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, right here, you can just look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see WooCommerce section. And in here, you will be able to see settings. So all you have to do is to select that. And this is where you'll manage your store details, including payments, products, and of course, shipping. So in the settings page, all you have to do is to click on shipping. Once you have clicked on that, this is the location where your business store address is going to be located. So you can configure it however you want. But if this is your first time setting it up, WooCommerce might ask you to configure shipping zones. Shipping zones basically tell WooCommerce which location you'll deliver to. Let's say domestic, right here. Let's type in domestic. Then after typing that in, you can also select zone region. You want this zone to cover. Select from options like flat rate or free shipping or local pickup. But if you choose flat rate, you can set a specific amount as your shipping charges. It could be $5 or whatever currency that you have. And once everything is done, once you have chosen, you can also switch on continue right here. Let's say here. Now you can name the flat rate and the cost of it. And after doing all of that, all you have to do is to click on create and save. And once you've entered your preferred shipping charges, you can just click on save changes right here. Then you can just go to your store and test by adding a product to the cart. You should now see the shipping cost automatically added during checkout. And that's all there is today. Hope we helped.